fun at school. Learning objectives. 1. Understand the importance of schools. 2. Analyze the values of a village school. Warm-up. Millie walks to school with her little brother, Alex. But today, she is walking alone as her brother is sick with a cold and on leave. She loves going to school. Help Millie to reach her school. Akash and Ananya lives in a small village with family. They go to school together every day. This small school in the village does not have many resources. There is no school bus to drop them to school. They go to school by walking. They walk past a bridge. It is made up of bamboo. They swiftly climb the little hill on the way. They reach school on time by running down the hill. Look, there is our school. Yes, Ananya, we have reached our school on time. They feel happy. Akash and Ananya enters the school lobby. They see their friends Rahul, Sana, Ram, Raj and Piyush in the school lobby. Hello Sana and Ram. Hello Rahul. Hello Akash. Akash and Ananya meet their friends and wish them. In the meantime, the school peon, Monu, rings the school bell. Hey look, there rings the school bell. It's time to go to our classroom. Let's go to our classroom. The children rush to their classrooms. The classrooms are made of raw bricks and cement. The teacher enters the classroom. She tells the children to paint a picture of a town. The children start painting using brush and watercolors. I'll paint it nicely using my brush and watercolors. I'll too paint it nicely. Children love playing in the school ground during lunchtime. Throw the ball, Raj. Here, take it, Akash. When the recess is over, children return to the classroom. This is their English period. Mr. Kapoor, their English teacher, is teaching them English. Children, do you know when is your English class test? Yes, sir. It is tomorrow. The children are answering the questions asked by their teacher. The school bell rings again. It is the sign for the children that the school is over. All the children are very happy. It is fun to be at school. Yes, it is. They are going back to home. The children are talking with each other. Find meaning. Together with each other. Compound, area or lobby. Bridge, structure carrying a road, path, railway, etc. Facilities, a place or convenience. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Do you and your friends like school? What do you do at school? Tell me about your feelings towards your classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Help Praful get ready for the school. Number these pictures correctly. What do you carry in your bag? Color the correct cloud with the different colors. Tick your answer. Teacher has asked a question. You know the answer. You will 1. Speak out the answer loudly before anyone. 2. Raise your hand and wait for your turn. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Describe the color of your school uniform. Shirt, skirt or trousers, shoes, belt, tie if any. Paste your photograph in school uniform. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Where are Akash and Ananya going? To school. B. What activities the children do in recess? They play games. C. What did the children paint in school? Picture of a town. D. Who is their English teacher? Mr. Kapoor is their English teacher. Find their meanings. A. Raw bricks. Unbaked bricks. B. Recess. Leave. C. Return. Something which has been given back. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Where do Akash and Ananya live? Answer. Akash and Ananya live in a village. B. Which school they go to? Answer. They go to the village school. C. Who rings the school bell? Answer. Ramu rings the school bell. Tick the right options. A. Akash and Ananya live in a village. B. They walk to school. C. They reach school on time. D. They have fun at school. Match the following: bridge, bamboo, notebook, paper, uniform, clothes.